Welcome to G-Tex Designs. In this episode, we're going to fix some issues in the cabs, like around this corner here, around this corner here, where they were blending into each other. So let's get some fixing done. Welcome back to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to fix a few issues here, like this board here. We're going to cut there and there. Then we're going to bring a board around so it folds in better. And we're going to fix up this one here. That's right. That one there too. So definitely got to fix up them. But first off, let's do this one. So get out the measuring tool. It's going to be on evaluate, measure. So from here to there, it is, where's the measurement? What the heck? Try again. Measure from that point to that line. There we go. 9 mils. Okay. So 9 mil. Actually, before we do, let's open up this model, this part. Okay. Oh, that's the curved part. That's right. That's there. Okay. No big deal. Let me go to top view. Yeah, I've actually got to cut all through that. That's fine. No big deal. So we're going to do a top sketch. We're going to do a box from here out. Now that was 9 mil. From there to there was 9 mil. Then measure from that line to that point, 9 mil. Actually 9 mil again. Okay. Oh damn it, give me the wrong one. And then that's going to be 9 mil from there to there, 9 mil. Now we're going to extrude that out first, so I can extrude cut, sorry, through all. Okay. And it went the wrong way, didn't it? It went the wrong way. Okay. There we go. Let me save that. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, that's good. So now let's just go to normal again. Actually, here we go. Actually, hold on. Make it a bit easier. Let's go to that sketch. Open. We're going to do a construction line there. Then we've got a mirror. Three, 4. Oh, we got a point 4. Delete that one. There we go. Mirror there. Okay. And exit. There you go. So it's doing it again. Now we want to do top plane, sketch, line from there to there, cross, up, across, and down. Okay, that line will be horizontal. Sorry, vertical. How wide are these boards again? 10 mil. Okay, that's one wouldn't know. From there, 10. And from there to there, 10. That's going to be up. Feature extrude. I'm not too sure what the measurement is, I'll just go to up that one and done. And there you go. There you go. Oh, that looks so good. Looks so good. Okay, let's go back in that sketch. We're going to do a mirror. Oh, that one there. Thank you. Actually out the sketch. Normal to. Oh, what did I do? Normal to. What the heck? Yeah, the sketch. Normal to is what I meant to do. There we go. Okay, now we can go back in that one. Open that sketch. Do another center line there. We've got mirror on the wall. Zoom in, but I can't get the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it's got to be centered around that one. Okay. And exit out. That should be both those done. Beautiful. There you go. That's nicely done. Yeah, I like that. I'm happy on that. Now, this one here. This one's going to be a bit more. Get the measurement right. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut in like a groove out of there. And technically, you could put a bolt through there. Hold lot if you want. No, technically, it should be the same there, but that's fine. Ooh, I'm trying to think the best way to do this. Actually, you know what? Measure from that point to that point. It is 21.09. Let me write this down. Going to be that is 12. Then from this point to no, I want we'll do 24.17. 24.17. There we go. Let's see if we can do something with that. So where was that? That was that one there, wasn't it? Let's do this one here. So if we got top line sketch. So this point here up to there, across there, and back there. So this one here was 21.09. No, not divide. This one here is 12. 12, and this one here is 24.17. What did 12? Why did there come up some error? 24.17. Why'd that not work? Ah. Hold on. Let me go to normal on there. Oop. Oh. Oh. 21.07.12. Okay. That's probably why. I think that should be fine. And then that's going to be 24.17. That's better. There you go. If we go wrong way, so if we do this line as perpendicular, nope, that didn't work. Why not? Let me delete that one. There we go. There we go. So we do that line and that line perpendicular. Ooh, that shouldn't. Ooh. I'll change. Actually, if I do that one perpendicular, or there, that's not quite right. Ooh, I got the, yeah. Right, hold on. If I actually go, if I actually do a measurement, if I know that one, thank you. If I do a measurement there to there, that's 4.86. 4.86. Hold on. Why is that one? There you go. I think I locked it in somehow. That one to that one. 4.86. There you go. Spot on. Beautiful. Okay. That's where we want it. And actually, that's going to be, measurement. These going to be construction lines, by the way. Construction and construction. Okay, so now we want from there, out, across, down, and there. So this line and this line will be perpendicular. So it's that one, that one. And what's the width of that? So if we go to measurement, 12 mil. So if we go, nope, that way. 12. Nope. Actually, doesn't matter. It's going to be cut out anyway, so that's fine. Now, if we go feature, through cut, through all, there we go, we got it. There we go, we have got that. Perfect. So now, what's that one? Oh, that's something over the other side. So that is open. Then we do a construction line from there to there. There was mirror. We just need mirror these four. We don't need mirror construction lines there. Just them. That's all we need. Okay. Okay, almost clicked the wrong one, and done, and there we go. And that should be that one too. Yep. Love it. That was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more pain in the butt, but I enjoyed doing that. I love solving problems. It might be unorthodox ways at times, but hey, sometimes they work. So that's all we need to fix on that, I believe. Like this gap here, I'm not too worried about. Because otherwise, bring that in, you've got to change too much there. So there, I'm not too worried about. And that's some issue later on courses. But these ones that are going through pieces, I was wasn't happy on that. All right, let me go to that one. Really? Always upside down. Nope. Seriously. Okay. There we go. Zoom in. All right, that's a cab fixed for now. I'll leave the roof off the screenshot. That's a cab fixed for now, so I hope you enjoyed that. That's actually fun working that piece out. So gives in depth on different ways to do things. You know, there's just I like to show there's more than one way, and there's most times it's no wrong way, or there's wrong ways, but there's plenty of right ways. And just because you do a different something else doesn't mean it's one way, the other's wrong. It boils down to preference. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the episode. A little bit shorter. I'm not sure some. So click the like button, comment, subscribe. If you've done things differently or you've got any suggestions how you could have done things differently, let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode. So there will be more episodes after this, but I'll be doing the assembly series next. And when I come across a piece that needs to be fixed, where something wasn't right, then I'll do an episode on the end of this one. So then you can have all the maintenance, all the building in one series. So thanks again for your support. Do appreciate. Welcome new subscribers. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.